Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be another PS5 Dualsense controller unboxing. The one that we're going to be taking a look at today is the brand new gray Camouflage. I am a sucker for camo, and as soon as Sony announced a camo version of the PS5 Dualsense, instant pre-order. This thing is badass, it looks so good, and I can't wait to show it to you guys. It literally just came out on October 14th. I've got it right over here. I pre-ordered it from my local GameStop, and it just feels right, you know, like Modern Warfare 2 is coming out right around the corner, and having a camo controller is a must. At least in my eyes, like, it's going to be a lot of fun playing a shooter game with a camo controller. Also, if you guys want to purchase the controller that we're going to look at in today's video, I will leave a link down below in the description. Anyways, though, I picked this up for 95 Canadian dollars, and as of purchasing this one, I own all of the available PS5 Dualsense controllers as of right now. Currently, I have the God of War controller pre-ordered right now, so if you want to see me unbox that next month, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. But for now, let's go ahead and unbox this guy, the gray Camouflage PS5 Dualsense. Alright, so here it is inside of the box, guys. The packaging is pretty much identical to all of the other controllers. Of course, the product image is going to be different based off of the variant that we got, which is the gray camo. There are some details that you might not notice just by looking at the box that I'm very excited to show you. But first, let's take a look at all of the packaging. So we've just got the PlayStation logo on the top left, Sony on the right, Dualsense wireless controller for the PS5, of course. Here is the side, so compatible with the PS5, of course. Then if we take a look at the back, we got another image of the controller. Then it says haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, built-in microphone, and signature comfort, which I know I've said this in all of my other controller unboxings, but this is the best controller I've ever used, hands down. It is my personal favorite, and that's why I'm collecting all of the PS5 controllers. But anyways, we'll continue with the box. So it just says contents here. You get the controller and the instruction manual. That's it. You don't get a USB-C charging cable, which I still find kind of odd. You think for like a $100 controller you would at least get one, but Sony said no, so I guess we gotta get our own. But anyways, let's go ahead, take a look at the bottom here. Pretty standard right there. Then let's take a look at the top, just all blue. Now let's open it up. Okay, so we've just got the pizza box left now. Now let's go ahead and open this part up too. Oh, there's the controller in a little bag. Let's take it out. Oh, wow. That is very, very nice. Whoa. It looks a lot better in person. Holy. On the packaging, it was like, you know, okay, that's kind of cool. But this is absolute fire. Look at that, the black buttons with the white icons. Just look at that gray camo finish. That looks so good. And the detail that I was talking about earlier that you might not notice just by looking at the packaging or images is this right here. See, on the little gray parts, there's actually the PlayStation icons in the camo, which is so cool. That is a great little Easter egg and design detail. It's all over the controller. You can see like there, on the sides, everything. That is just so cool. And then on top of that little Easter egg, there's more on the back. So you can see the texturing on the back of the controller is also PlayStation icons. Sony really went all out with the design on the Dualsense, and that's one of the reasons why it's my favorite controller of all time. So besides the amazing design on this gray camo controller, it feels really great in the hands. You've got USB-C charging on the top here. You've got haptic feedback in the triggers. You've got your options and share button, your speakers, microphone, and the PlayStation button. You've got the joysticks, which unfortunately they haven't fixed that drift issue, so I would recommend to maybe get a warranty on the controller. Or if you're very worried about that issue, then I would maybe wait for the PlayStation Edge controller, because you can swap out the thumbsticks. Me personally, I've never had that issue, so I'm hoping I don't get it on this one either. But yeah, pretty standard stuff. If you guys are familiar with the PS5 Dualsense, it is the exact same thing. Really really what we're looking at in this video is the finish, and it is awesome. I think this is in my top 3 favorite out of all of the PS5 controllers right now. You've got the D-pad in the middle, and the bottom part of the controller is the standard black plastic. This is what the back looks like, just a standard gray. I would have preferred if they put camo all the way around the controller and not just on the front, but I guess they really want that textured feel on the back, and they couldn't really do it with this kind of style. I'm not 100% sure as to why they don't put any printing or anything on the back of the controller, but that's just my best guess. Maybe they will do it in the future though, who knows. But yeah, that is the controller. Inside of the box, you don't really get anything. You get your paperwork, and that's about it. And that is pretty much it for the unboxing of the controller. Now, the setup for the controller is very easy. All you have to do is plug a USB-C cable into the PS5 and the other end into the controller. Once it's plugged in, you just hold on to the PlayStation button and click it. Then it's going to tell you to update the software on the controller. You can do it later or you can update it now, which I will do it now. It's normally very quick, maybe like 20 seconds or so. Then it's going to restart the controller. Then you just have to pick which account you want to use. And that is it. You are ready to play some games with your brand new controller. And you guys see what I was saying earlier, right? Like the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 in the background with the camo controller. You know, I think that looks pretty good together. So guys, that is my unboxing and quick review of the Camouflage PS5 Dualsense controller. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like I said, if you do want to pick one up for yourself, there is a link down below. I think this is one of the best finishes that you can get the controller in, and with Call of Duty right around the corner, I think it's just going to be a really nice combo. Leave your comments down below of what you guys think about the controller. Do you like it or not? I'm hoping they continue with the camo finishes for PS5 accessories. I would really like to see a red camo and a winter camo. Sony, just keep making different kinds of camo and people will buy it and you guys will make a ton of money. But anyways guys, that is it for the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. Other than that, I hope you guys all have a great day today, and I will see you guys in the next video.